Yeah, dirty pot.
Yeah. That means that when time ready to score it off.
Jamaican breakfast. Yeah, at the 5-star backyard.
Style, you know? Forget the fork.
And we have to eat the food. Hi, Paris. Pleasant good morning. Blessed Wednesday. This is the day after my birthday to you. I am in St. Mary. Dad and myself, and you know, so Uncle Murphy, I drive, and Camera Girl, say good morning.
Morning.
Yeah, we are in St. Mary. None of the man them there, me alone. Me just come. So what me I go do now? Me I go sweep off the veranda and wipe it off. The post them a reap, the cat them reap havoc when me not there, then come through and I mess up the veranda. That I forgot get under control. Me not gonna put up with that. Honestly, I won't. And then the fall, them, you know, come and fall already. So what me I go do here right now? Me I go wash off that chair here. Now I get this chair outside, me I'll sweep off the veranda and I am going to wipe it off, and then I will be raking up the front of the yard. So me I go show you. Say me I go get going at St. Mary car. Look here. This is what me have to do, what me have to do. So they're on the journey with me now. On the journey. It's a sad that the sun a come out and the time slightly overcast a bit, but we are going to do what we have to do. Uncle Murphy and Dad them gone on the road, gone deal with the business. So me and Kim are right here. So wanna catch me in the next clip. Morning. School start. No. Oh. We have to go do something meshy time. I don't know. That then I feel sitting in my face, scrape up then peel it. Like seriously, Colby?
What?
I think I'll get something.
Push it there.
The Sunday, Monday and Tuesday will not come. Oh no, this hour.
That was a fridge. That was a fridge.
Yeah, but now wipe here, pick and wipe up with the baking soda. Put the camera. Like camera. See, so that come right. Parry might eat something. I never eat nothing. Fish on my birthday. I'm hot and my back wet. Oh. I'm going to feed my face. I'm going to something I have to point out to my workman. I'm going to something them should have straightened up them there a long time. I'm there. I wait for him to him come in, man, him here coming. I wait for him for come. I'm point out something to him. Wife me I feed my face, so I catch you back in the next clip, eh? Parry, me and Uncle Murphy down here, so I take up dirt for set plant. I am a setting plants back in St. Mary. So I did down about me there now. I wish part then rub off this side tank right there. So some of there. That boy they carry the tank you come and now go right in. You rub off in wall up there so too. Box over. Oh boy. That's how I go sometime. You lose some and you win some. So Uncle Murphy helped me bore out the bottom where the water supposed to come through. You think you're the right way to see I do it, Uncle Murphy? Many burst it, you know. Should I do it from inside? You don't think so? Eh? Many burst out the bottom, you know. Alright. Take time. So that way I do parry. Uncle Murphy, if he say I do it the right way.
No, he's doing it the right way.
But me I say maybe you just burst the whole thing crossway, you know, feel so.
No man, I do it then for it's like what I'm for.
How do that? Really plastic? No man, they make it that you can lick it out, man. Yeah.
Careful, you don't steal it. Careful.
Wait, Uncle Murphy. Uncle Murphy, wait, man. That's what I'm telling you to do it. So look what you do. You mash up your wall. Look how you mash up your wall like yourself. You see?
No man, you can't wipe off.
No man, it scrape up, man. Uncle Murphy, man. See them, man. That's what I'm telling you. Say, no do it so. Put it down. You see, you mash up.
You can't put on level.
Alright, we're going to work with the tree we're gone. Because the wall I have to scrape up. You see, because the concrete rough. Make we work with this, man.
I work with tree.
Yeah, me work with the tree. You see, you damage up the edge.
Yeah, you can't wipe off.
Yeah, but if it scratch up, it scratch up, it just scratch up. You don't know how to knock out the thing, you know, Uncle. Yeah, it's hard. Yeah, alright.
Next week, move.
Alright. I didn't like with you, you know. Alright, put some dirt. Now put nothing on, Uncle Murphy. Jason said I want good dirt. Jason did look out that in Uncle Murphy. You know, so I feel like I want to beat you. I know for it that to beat you. Alright, I could just work with them now, man. I could just work with them. Uncle Murphy, I gonna lose the work in a party. Uncle Murphy lose the planter work. Me I tell you. No more planting for him.
Yeah, take the time to worry.
It might take too much time. Lose the planting work straight. Next clip.
You hear that?
Just I feel the eye and look funny, but I think it's all going too bad because I understand the baby bad.
No, yes, the baby was inside Gandhi.
Oh, I should have to put him out nice son, man.
Yeah, they have him.
They still have my hospital. I should have to make him come home, come put him in a carry the baby nice son.
You see him up the road.
Alright, Uncle Murphy, we have to go carry the rest in or something.
Man, girl.
Oh, so then she have to leave the baby? I was sentenced baby there? I must sentence. So how long they might keep the baby for?
He said the baby might come out this evening or tomorrow.
Oh. Normally when you have baby and the jaundice, then tell us if you come out and put the baby in the son. Everything change down so they not take no chance.
That's alright?
Yeah. We'll take some more, but we'll carry it up in something for full it up. He heavy, you know, Uncle Murphy.